I'm gonna share with you guys about my SPF situation. I've gotten a couple questions about what I use since I always make jokes about being like a vampire in the sun. So I wanted to show you guys what I use. So on a regular day, when I'm just like driving around, running errands, you know, like doing whatever, this is my basic. This is Skin Medica. They have 35, I also have a 47. That one is a great one. And for that, I would wear like a baseball cap. Okay, so this is like my regular running around, but not really gonna be in the sun. If I am gonna be in the sun, and also sometimes when I'm running errands and stuff too, I still will wear heavier sunscreen, but that Skin Medica one is kind of my morning go-to. So if I'm gonna be out a little bit longer in the day, I will use my 60 La Roche-Posay, and then I will also wear my sun hat. I wear this all the time. It's a company called Wallaroo, and I love it. I actually just ordered another one that's coming. You can smush it in your suitcase. I don't. I tend to go like that and then put my clothes in it in my suitcase. But I love it. I also love a chin strap. So sun hat, chin strap, and I'm a happy girl. This one also, this is my older sun hat that I will not get rid of because I love it so much. Chin strap. So like this and this, most of my friends that see me, and then my kids, this is like what they, like when my daughter draws pictures of me, this is on my head. And then this, I started using La Roche-Posay when I was on Orange, and it was the riot season, and my character, Alex Voss, had to live outside, lived in this, like all day long. This is what I wore. I also had an umbrella. When I'm in the sun, my friends make fun of me. I always have an umbrella, even on Orange. They even wrote it into the show that Alex Voss had an umbrella. When I go to the beach, I'm not talking like beach umbrella. I also have an umbrella. It's not cute. I don't do cute beach vibes. That's not my bag. But, you know, I'm pale. This is, you know, what you gotta do. When I had blonde hair, I did have a fake tan, spray tan moment. That was fun for a minute. But I've really, especially after my kiddos, like I really have embraced my paleness. And I also, you know, my kids are really pale too, so I want them to learn to like love their skin and just embrace their authentic, you know, authenticity. So I've really just hardcore leaned in, dove into just the pale vibes. And it's great and I love it, but I do it to protect my skin because I just burn, you know? When I'm gonna be out for even like longer, this is also La Roche-Posay, but this one is like a little thicker. So this one, I find when I wear this one, it's just like a little bit more substance to it. This one I wear under my makeup. So if I'm gonna do makeup, I do this one. So if I'm out at the beach vibes, this is my sun hat. Again, you guys, this is not cute beach vibes. This is like this, all right? I also live in the South. The sun is like no joke here. So you could try to have a cute moment with it looking like Faye Dunaway. I don't. This is this, okay? It's not cute, but that's all right. I don't need to look cute on the beach right now. I just need to like protect my skin. If I'm doing outdoors things, like outdoor, like I'm going on a canoe trip with my family, this is my outdoor hat. Guys, this is a whole situation. This is my outdoor hat, chin strap. So this is gonna be my canoe vibe. You know, like this, you can mold the rim a little bit, you know what I mean? But I don't, I'll be on the canoe probably like this. But I can't wear this one on the canoe because if the wind blows, it'll blow off my head. Canoe. Anyway, oh wait, and in my purse, I have a 4th sunscreen. This is always in my purse, always, always, always. So this is a stick that when I'm driving around in my car, I will reapply sunscreen. Yes, I will. This is always in my purse. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. It's a lot of SPF. That's the SPF story around these parts. Please share with me what you guys use. I love learning and talking about this stuff. I want to hear what you guys use. Please share it with me. All right, well, have a great summer, guys, and keep your skin safe.